actually going to be comparing two different types of hot dogs in the form of a corn dog. It's the all vegetarian ink hot dog and the LightLife Smart Dogs.
So which one's the small one? Which
The
one's the big one?
smaller one is a Smart Dog, and the bigger one is the all vegetarian ink one.
Doesn't matter which one I go first?
No.
Well, we'll all eat the same one first, right?
Okay, so the Smart Dog first.
Smart dog first?
Yeah.
Alright.
Very soft.
Where is all? I think it's off. It's good. No, they're really good. They're really good. I like it. I don't know how to describe it.
Is it a little bitter?
It's a little soft.
A
Oh,
little soft?
the actual seasoning for the hot dog?
Yeah. Is it a little bitter, do you? No?
I can try it.
Tell me there's something a little bitter. Don't know. Maybe
It
it's
has
just
a
my
very like distinct taste to it.
Okay.
Do you guys want to try the all vegetarian one?
Oh, yeah.
Palate cleansing.
So the long one is the all vegetarian ink one.
Alright.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know how it was like just new taste to it.
This one is this one. This one's very Asian. I think like there's Asian spices in it. What do you think?
The flavor is stronger.
Right. How about texture?
They're both about the same.
Mm.
They're both pretty soft and like fluffy.
The outside of the all vegetarian ink one is a little bit tougher. Right?
Yeah. But it doesn't have that bitter taste that I can taste.
There's a bite to it.
You already know my favorite.
Preference, yeah.
My preference. I like the first one.
The Smart Dog?
Mm-hmm.
Softer is nice. But this one doesn't have a bitter taste to it. So I think I prefer this one.
Wow, yeah, conflicting.
Tiebreaker?
Gosh.
Pressure. A bit easier with.
I like the texture of the all vegetarian ink one, but I like the taste of the Smart Dog.
Total conflict.
Yeah, I like the texture of this one more. Because this one kind of reminds me of, the Smart Dog reminds me of tofu.
Maybe. I just don't like the Smart Dog to me the taste is bitter.
It does. It has
I don't taste it.
You don't taste it? So this one isn't bitter, but the flavor is like kind of strong. So I'm like,
the hot dog on this one. If we were to eat it with a hot dog, this one would stand out more. The all vegetarian ink one. Whereas this one would blend. Sorry, I keep pointing back to this one. The Smart Dog would blend into like the ketchup and like the mayo, the mustard, like whatever you're putting on top of it, the chili and stuff like that. Like you would completely lose the taste of it. At least I think so. What do you think?
Yeah.
No.
still Smart Dog.
Smells like
One all the way. Alright.
It's just a taste, man. It's for me the other one's just too overwhelming.
The all vegetarian ink one does have a very like Asian.
Very strong taste.
I told you all of the Asian meats, Frank is very sensitive to them. Yeah. That's why we stick with like Gardein and the more Americanized ones because I feel like it's the Asian spices that he doesn't like.
Probably it.
I think that's where it is too.
Yeah.
But good. Overall, really good.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
well, that is our review on this one. It looks like we're split half and half. If you guys happen to try it out, let us know if you like that Asian taste, or if you like just the plain and simple taste of the SmartDog as well.
Or you taste the bitterness like I do.
Or he tastes something bitter. I taste a very distinct flavor in the SmartDog, but
It's not bitter.
I don't think it's bitter though.
Yeah, it's 2 versus 1. So,
But let me know if you guys taste the bitterness. He would like to know. If you guys have any requests on things that you'd like us to try, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!